Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the Dyson HS01 hairdryer. In this video, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your hairdryer remains in excellent condition. Let's begin with the tools you'll need. A small Phillips screwdriver. A microfiber cloth. Compressed air canister. Isopropyl alcohol, optional. First, ensure your device is unplugged before starting any maintenance. This is crucial for your safety. Once it's unplugged, let's start with the exterior cleaning. Take your microfiber cloth and lightly moisten it with water or isopropyl alcohol. Wipe down the outer casing to remove any dirt or hair product residue. Next, we'll focus on the filter. The filter is essential for maintaining airflow and preventing overheating. Remove the filter cover by twisting it counterclockwise. If you find it difficult to remove, use a small Phillips screwdriver to gently pry it off. Clean the filter under running water, ensuring that all debris is removed. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching it. If you prefer, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice on maintenance. While waiting for the filter to dry, let's clean the air intake. Use the compressed air canister to blow away any dust or lint that may have accumulated. This step is crucial to maintain optimal performance. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Now, let's check for internal issues. If your device is still under warranty, consult your Dyson manual for any restrictions regarding disassembly. If you're comfortable proceeding, carefully unscrew the casing using the small Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious with the screws, they can be tiny and easy to lose. Place them in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once the casing is removed, inspect the internal components for any visible dust or debris. Using the microfiber cloth, gently wipe down the interior parts. Avoid any electrical components to prevent damage. After cleaning, reassemble the device by carefully placing the casing back on and securing it with the screws. Ensure everything is tightened, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Now that your Dyson HS01 is clean and reassembled, remember to always check the filter regularly to prevent future issues. If you ever find yourself needing repairs, our quote before repair service ensures you understand costs upfront, helping you make informed decisions. Finally, plug in your hairdryer and give it a test run. Listen for any unusual sounds that could indicate a deeper issue. If everything sounds normal, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience, ensuring you get the help you need without the hassle. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your hairdryer and keep it performing at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.